There are a few other ways you can order cabinet products, one of which is to use the Doors and Panels feature. This function sits more along the lines of a cutting list style of ordering. What it will do is give you the ability to order a panel in any width and length that you require. This will be limited by the material that you're using. You have the option to select a door, drawer, or panel product from the top menu. You can also change the height and width to your needs and change the exterior material as well by using the search function or through the Browse Colors material selector. Taking a look at adding a door product, you may note there are numerous customizable options for you to choose from, with the ability to set which sides of the panels are edged, the style of the door, whether it is a single, pair, L-shape or straight bifold, which way the door will hang, and also the hinge style. When you have selected the door hang of your panel, you will have the ability to modify the quantity and positions of your hinge holes. Lastly, you will have the option to select whether you want hardware supplied with the product or for the panel to be drilled only. If the material permits it, you will have the option to select a different door style from the door drop-down. For example, if you're to select a vinyl material such as Alabaster by Polytech, you will have the option to select a different door style. You are able to copy the products by clicking here and stating the number of copies, or you are able to simply adjust the quantity. To add more or different panels, you can press the Add Product button. Once happy with the selections, simply hit Save and we will now be prompted to return to the dashboard or continue editing. Heading back to the dashboard will now add our newly detailed products to the cart view.